Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a visual hierarchy using size contrast in Photoshop. I begin with all elements the same size, flat and boring. Then I slowly enlarge the most important element. I pause. Feel the power shift. I shrink secondary elements slightly, giving the main focus room to breathe. I stretch the word priority slowly because hierarchy is decision-making. I adjust spacing until the eye moves naturally. This is where joy appears. The layout starts talking. I reduce clutter, increase clarity, and lock the hierarchy. The design now communicates without explanation. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder